Alex's journey to learn English. Once upon a time in a small town, there was a young person named Alex. Alex loved to explore new things, but there was one dream that seemed difficult to achieve: learning English. Setting goals. One sunny morning, Alex sat under a big tree with a notebook. Alex thought, why do I want to learn English? Alex wrote down the goals. 1. To travel the world. 2. To get a good job. 3. To make friends from different countries. With clear goals, Alex felt motivated and ready to start the journey. Finding resources. Alex went to the local library and borrowed some English books. At home, Alex found fun apps and websites to learn English. Alex discovered 1 books with simple stories, 2 apps with fun games, 3 websites with videos and songs. Each resource was a new adventure. Alex enjoyed reading, playing games, and singing along to English songs. Practicing every day. Every day, Alex practiced English. In the morning, Alex read a story. In the afternoon, Alex wrote a short diary entry. In the evening, Alex listened to English songs and tried to sing along. Alex practiced speaking by talking to the mirror. "Hello, how are you?" Alex asked with a smile. The mirror smiled back. Joining a community. One day, Alex heard about an English club at school. Feeling a bit nervous, Alex decided to join. The club was full of friendly people who also wanted to learn English. They played games, had conversations, and helped each other. Alex made new friends and felt more confident speaking English. Overcoming challenges. There were times when Alex felt frustrated. Sometimes the words were hard to remember, and speaking felt difficult. But Alex remembered the goals and stayed positive. Taking breaks, asking friends for help, and practicing a little every day made a big difference. Months passed, and Alex's English improved a lot. One day, Alex gave a speech at the English club. Everyone clapped and cheered. Alex felt proud and happy. Now, Alex could travel, meet new friends, and dream of a bright future. Learning English was no longer a dream, but a wonderful reality. Now you listen. You can be like Alex too. Start your English learning journey today. Remember, set your goals, find fun resources, practice every day, join a community, and stay positive. I hope you like this story. Subscribe to this channel for more tips and lessons. Let's learn English together.